Photosynthesis takes place mainly in the leaves. To help the leaves do this job, they have the following special features. Thin, large surface area, contain chlorophyll. The stomata are tiny pores, holes in the leaf surface, which allow the following to exchange. Carbon dioxide to diffuse in for photosynthesis. Oxygen made during photosynthesis to diffuse out. Water vapour to diffuse out. Most of the stomata are found on the underside of the leaf surface. Respiration. All living things, including plants, carry out aerobic respiration. Plants respire all the time and carry out photosynthesis in the daylight. This is the word equation for respiration. Glucose plus oxygen becomes carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Photosynthesis. This is the word equation for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water becomes glucose plus oxygen.